She's trying to cover him up. Oh. Oh, she's just a suffocator.
Yeah. He's gonna call. Did you say you was gonna call her and tell her about the babies?
If I can get her, they may not answer the phone because there's a wrapped up down there.
Them little bitties, they're so
I
pretty.
figured that when she don't come and eat, I know she kept whining yesterday. I think she was trying to find a place. She come over here around this garage and kept whining. If Beanie comes.
Okay. Wait. Hurry up, take me. Oh, I'm taking a video. Because I want to get meowing.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to see the other ones.
Okay, hold
on. Those two are twins.
Shh, it's okay, Mama. Mama, I got your babies. They're fine. They're fine.
Hey, you know what would be good names for those two? If one was a boy and one was a girl.
Yin and yang.